Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Hey guys, you saw how uJudge Ratane was now scared sort of after umlungu ifikile lo zomela uqiniselani. After he was busy gaslighting uqiniselana, threatening him, it's lalelage, you're gonna be in jail for 2 years or 5 years. Yeah, because you don't want to answer questions that Dr. Ronnie Sibanda is asking you. And there was nothing there to answer. And you wash uqiniselana, no, that's not my statement. I stop where I'm stopping. I don't know anything about Moses Sibi. I mean, Musica Kula Sibi Mas accused number one. This is how I normally put it to Ati. Angmazi like that. You know? I don't know this guy. So why am I forced Uguting Mas? And it backfired. Because Manjuras was just like, let's umlungu illegal aid. I am not umlungu longamren. We am saba, literally. Did you see how we changed Nje? His attitude changed completely. How you are speaking now. I was just like, bra. What is even going on now? Can't believe you. That is why Urata goes on like, yeah, black people, Lawantawanyama. Kulumanje Peluras, Mr. Kulumanat, in that court. Kobani, une upper hand, une power. Yeah, we haven't done, you must just leave me alone. Oh, I'm just like Lobaba Mar Unjan Manje. Kofigum Lungu, Umuntu was now polished. Even his English was in another level. I was just like, Iborat, is that you? Remember I said in some video, I said, because what's going on with that? Did they humble him? No, actually, the title was Mlungu humbled Rata. Literally. I was like, Ibo, this can't be Rata because something happened there. Something shifted, actually. Rata, this is Omnis Abasamiyeki. Especially Omnis. Noramusipil. They don't play with that guy. Even Umalo. No came for him. He was like, I'm coming for you, brah. We're not playing with you as well now. In fact, Mlungu Yama's ending. Some says, I couldn't believe it. It was just like, what is going on? Nale defense. This is nice in Amapigo. I was like, Fana Baby, now you always can slide them. Abangutiba isn't a
Guys, please let me know in the comments if you see the 5 accused boycotting, although Rata wouldn't really care about that. You'll be like, please just sit down, just stop. Like how he's not taking them serious. So you remember accused number 5, Officer Tlentul, once also complained. He even said in his speech there, listen, they're still gonna ill-treat me, these people. Literally, but it's actually not even funny. Because he's still not moved from Kgoshi Mampuru because he asked to be moved from Kgoshi Mampuru to look up. Urata actually made a ruling around it, or should I say an order actually. But nothing happened to this day. I'm just like, and then why would you think then Uqebengu is gonna change anything? Nothing's gonna change with these guys. And it's still gonna be looking like they're ill-treating them because they can only wash with hot water when they're coming to court. We are guys, things like that. This is inhumane in another level you've never seen. It's not right. He convicted. First, they haven't even been convicted as such. But my thing is that to wash with cold water. And literally, because my thing is that they showed the whole of South Africa. This is the name that's actually even ill-treating us. Uqebengu is one of the top 5 people that are making sure in that prison. Like I had always said, who is gatekeeping this whole thing? One person. For accused number 3, it was the same story. In the solitary confinement, when he's not convicted, and he's not even that type of a person or in jail to be put in a solitary confinement, because you are put there if you doing stuff that's not right inside prison. That's when you are put in solitary confinement. And accused number 3 is in solitary confinement to this day. Nothing has changed. But he has reported, why am I in solitary confinement when I'm not convicted yet? Because they dangerous, literally. No cat matlal. But accused number 3, why is he in solitary confinement? Nothing has been done. So even with accused, all 5 of them, with the water situation, nothing is gonna change. Accused number 5, he's still at Kgoshi Mampuru. He hasn't been to look up. He'll never go there. So do you see them boycotting? In fact, today. So what are we gonna do? What's gonna happen?
The usage of these catheters. I heard Mr. Perengo saying that these catheters, prison cells do not have plugs, well understandably so. But they've requested inmates to bring, or they can bring their own catheters and request prison authorities. Mr. Subia is saying even the cleaners do assist them. I don't understand why on the days on which they don't come to court, as Subia is saying, they cannot continue to utilize the same procedure that they are using when they come to court, because these catheters are theirs. It's not like they need to share them. That's what I don't understand, my lord. Hence I said in the beginning, why can't they be allowed to use these catheters even on the days on which they don't come to court? I did not get a clear response in that regard, my lord, because these catheters are theirs. Is there any problem, Mr. Kavengo, as Mr. Sibia says, using cold water one day, hot water the other day, that affects him? And he says this catheter is his, and there's the cleaners there that are assisting them. I don't know what is the reason why can't they also request those cleaners to go boil these waters for them, even on the days on which they don't come to court, just for them to keep up with their human dignity.
The reason for the kettle to come in was for him to shower in the morning when he goes to court. When coming to cleaners, there are 172 offenders. In an event whereby 172 offenders will request the kettles, what chaos or situation will be there? That will be chaotic.
Okay.
Hence, yeah. Sorry.
Udaba-ke lokuthi kusetshenziswe amakhedlela noma ukuthi-ke alekeleleke ukuklina uzokhumbula ukuthi kuney'boshwa laphayana eziwu-172. Asithi-ke bonke-ke manje bayavunyelwa-ke ukuthi-ke abaletha amagedlela wabo. Awungitshele nje isimo ukuthi kuzoba isimo esinjani leso bo-172 baletha amagedlela abo.
Yeah, Mr. Kubeng, I'm talking about those who already have these resources, that kettle. Look, the kettle is his. Stays with it themselves.
They're not staying with the kettle in themselves.
What is the position?
They are in the offices where we cook water.
Oh, okay.
No, they are not with them.
Yes. No, but now, yes, that aside, he knows that I've got a kettle. Why can't he be allowed to use that kettle on a daily basis? For him to be provided that hot water with the kettle that he has. Look, it's not like he's sharing these kettles with somebody else. One day he will come and say, where's the kettle? Somebody will say, no, but it's also been used by others. That is his sole property. Why can't he be allowed to say, okay, this is Fia's kettle? Boil him water every day.
Maybe you don't know the present setup.
Maybe.
Maybe you don't know that the present setup. Hence I've said, it will be chaotic if 172 kettles are there. Who are going to boil water? When? How? Hence we come up with a plan to say those that are going to court, because they are not handful. I mean, they are not many, they are handful. We can at least help them to cook water for them, to bath in the morning, so that they must attend court.
So what you say, Mr. Kereng, as I understand you, is like you gave permission to the inmates to arrange with their families to bring them kettles, not so?
Correct.
Now the kettles are there. Okay, just before I get there. That arrangement was only limited to the people who are going to court.
Correct, sir.
Manje-ke udaba lolu ukuthi-ke likhulume nemindeni ukuthi-ke baletheke amagedlele bekuwudaba nje lolu oluhlangene nalaba abaya enkantolo yebo.
So that is only, and that will only be limited to the days on which those who have got kettles and their families provided them with those kettles. That will only be limited to the days, then using those kettles on the days on which they go to court. But the days on which they don't go to court, that is taken away, that privilege or that extension is taken away from them.
That will be like any other person.
Okusho ukuthi-ke lokho kuzokwenzeka kuphela uma ngabe beya enkantolo, uma bengayi enkantolo ukuthi akwenzeki yebo-ke bazolingana nabanye.
That's the reason why we allow them.
ingakho sabavumela noma isona izathu leso sabanga ukuthi sibavumele.
Mr. Kabeng, why did you make that arrangement that people who go to court must wash?
Because they
or let me put it this way. Why did you make it why did you decide to make an arrangement that it is only people who are entitled to using hot water are those people that are going to court?
Correct.
Yes.
Before, there were very few, 3 or 4 offenders that were attending court.
Yes.
Then we usually cook water for them in the kitchen. But now, as time goes on, the number of offenders that are attending becomes yes. So now we see that we are going to delay to prepare food because we give out water. So then we said, no, it's fine. Let's say those people that are attending court, they get kettles for, and immediately when your case is finalized, we keep it.
Yeah, but my question is, why did you decide to accord that privilege to people who will be going to court only?
Because
why don't you say to them, go to court, go, whether you bath or you don't bath, go to court? Why did you decide that they should only be entitled to hot water when they come to court?
Because there were a lot of complaints to say, I cannot go out without bathing. I said, that's okay, no, it's fine. Because there's no hot water, we'll provide you with, for you to bath.
Kwanganike ukuthi ke manje nithi ke noma ningabathethe nje umuntu ahambe ke aye enkantolo engagezile njalo ingoba ke kwakunokukhala noma ukhona undaba okuningi kuba kukhona ukuthi angeke ngihambe ngiye enkantolo noma ngiphumeke ngingagezile.
So people would only complain when they're supposed to come to court and not complain when they don't come to court. In other words, a person can stay there for weeks on end without bathing, and that is fine. That's just fine according to the institution.
No, it does not happen. There are those people that enjoy cold water. It does not happen that they go for a long time without bath.
Yeah, but that's
akwenzeki ukuthi ke kube nesikhathi eside noma esiningi umuntu engagezi bakhona-ke abantu abakuthokozelayo ukuthi bageze ngamanzi abandayo.
Yeah, probably that's an exception, but because there's a complaint here, Mr. Spear, it means Mr. Spear does not fall in that category of those people who love using cold water.
Yeah,
do you love using cold water?
Yeah, I was just
when do you love using cold water? In winter such as this one?
No, any kind of water, as long as there is water running through my body.
Mina nginankinga ngamanzi ukuthi nje benamanzi kakhona-ke mina nginankinga nokuthi amanzi anjani.
Okay, but let us be realistic. Mr. Spear has complained and said cold water affects my health. This has got to do with his health, you see. And there's a kettle there. And you are saying he can only use it when he goes to court.
Exactly. That's the arrangement that we have made.
Yeah, but now
for him to get.
What was the basis of that arrangement? Why can't he use it even when it does not go to court? What reasons were taken except the fact that you are saying people were complaining that they cannot go to court?
Because it's not going
what
to court.
substantively did you take into account?
It does not go to court.
So people who don't go to court, they are not entitled to hot water.
No, we don't say that. As I've said, there is a situation.
No, but you are saying, I'm asking you, are people that are not going to court not entitled to hot water? Then you're saying because they don't go to court.
They are entitled, but there's a situation.
Like, don't hide behind the situation. There's a kettle here. Mr. Spear has got a kettle, Mr. Tebengu.
No.
Mr. Spear has got a kettle. Why don't you provide him with cold water? Now that he has complained, he does not enjoy using cold water.
The reason for the kettle to come in was to bath in the morning. And that was the arrangement that we have made when you make a request. It was approved on those bases.
So he requested to you that, can I please have a kettle?
For me to bath in the morning when I go to court.
And that was his request?
Yes.
Kwakuyisicelo sakhe-ke ukuthi-ke ucela ukuthi-ke kube negedlela uma ngabe enkantolo ekuseni azokhona-ke ukuthi ageze. Uyena owacela lokho.
That was the reason
why. But Mr. Tebengu, that's just new information. You know, you twisting and turning everything.
No, we never talk about the approval of the kettle. We just say we allowed them.
My Lord, up until such time that this court does not regard this as a human rights thing that violates the Constitution, we will always have answers such as this one. And I think I'm ending with them. Thank you.
Sorry, how far is the